ICC is a nonprofit organization. We serve both the Indian diaspora and the greater community by bringing events and Indian experiences to Westchester and Fairfield counties. We're as much of a community organization as we are a cultural arts organization. Our mission is to expand horizons, enrich lives, and make the community a more open and dynamic place to live and raise a family. So India has the largest film industry in the world, but very few films make it into distribution in the US.
The Indian film industry, popularly known as Bollywood worldwide, has seen tremendous growth. Bollywood used to mean just films with lip-sync songs and colorful costumes with high drama, but the content-rich movies that was almost a parallel cinema has changed, and the lines between mainstream cinema and content-rich cinema are blurring. The Discover Indian Cinema Advisory Panel, which is me and a couple of other professors from NYU and Rutgers, was formed by ICC and Margie to sit down and think about films that can relate again to the global population and have themes that can relate to both Indians and non-Indians. And so we look at films that not just entertain, but also educate on the Indian experience.
Film is a very affordable and easy way to let people begin to see the Indian experience.